Facebook claims fact checkers are opinion. So when they fact check you and ban you, it's because you're spreading misinformation. When you sue them over this, oh, that's just an opinion. We're not saying that he's not being factual. Always pay attention to what comes out in court, because that's usually where the actual truth is going to be. No, Facebook claims fact checkers are opinion, a bizarre revelation coming from a new lawsuit brought upon the social media giant by journalist John Stossel. And I said journalist because John Stossel is one of the few guys that does actual good work. So he's not a journalist, he's a journalist. So in the new lawsuit where Facebook claims fact checkers are opinion was brought to light by Stossel, who is challenging the company because they have repeatedly labeled his videos as false or lacking context. Oh, it gets pretty bad. Yeah, I actually read this ahead of time. It gets pretty bad. The videos posted by Stossel don't actually question whether or not climate change is real, a common debate for partisan grifters. They simply point out other key factors that can and have been found to lead to disasters like forest management. When challenged on the authority of their fact checkers, Facebook simply claimed their fact checkers are simply stating an opinion, and they're protected under the First Amendment. So, guys, remember this. Next time they try to fact check you, just tell them, shut the fuck up. I don't care about your opinion. Yeah, claiming that the tone Stossel used was inappropriate, his videos are either removed or demonetized. Yeah, the tone he used was inappropriate. That's how you know they're getting desperate. And this is the tightening of the noose. We all know that this is going to happen to me soon enough as well. It's coming, and I know it. So here's the game we play. They keep getting more and more fascist with their rules, so we keep adapting to their rules. It's like, oh, okay, we can't say this anymore. We can't talk about this anymore. Fine. We're just going to dance around the issue, and we're going to follow your rules to the letter. But if they really want you gone, they'll find a reason. Like, oh, I didn't like the tone you used. The tone you used sounded too hostile, so we're going to say you were promoting violence. If they want you gone bad enough, you will be gone. You will be, and there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, adapting to their ever-contradicting rules is now ban evasion. Now, okay, you think you're joking, but you're not. But let me just remind you guys that I think it was actually on Twitch where this happened, where a Twitch streamer was banned, and he actually had, contacts he could reach out to, and he tried to ask them to give him a specific of why he was banned, so he could make sure he doesn't do it again. And they actually fucking told him, like, oh, if we told you why we banned you, then you could use that information to evade future bans. They're basically flat out admitting they want to be able to ban you whenever they want for any reason. Because isn't it a good thing if you follow their rules? But literally they were saying, oh, if you know our rules and you follow them, that counts as ban evasion. It's just no winning. Further, they suggest Stossel and others that challenge the Ministry of Information will have to take their grievances up with the third-party company, of which Facebook uses numerous to scrutinize the monstrous amount of content published to their platform. This is quite different from the description Facebook gives fact-checkers on their website, noting each time a fact-checker rates a piece of content as false, Facebook significantly reduces the content's distribution, and the company applies a warning label that links to the fact-checker's article disproving the claim. This sounds like much more than an opinion, but I digress. Yes. I am so glad I never used Facebook. I am so glad I never relied on Facebook. I've heard nothing but horror stories about it. I think almost everyone I talked to, like, to be fair, I think I talked to like maybe 2 people that have actually been able to get some benefit out of using Facebook ads. But everyone else, like, I tried to use Facebook. I tried to use Facebook ads, but it was worthless. It was literally just a waste of time and money. A new video from John Stossel gives a nice roundup of the entire process, where they go over how Facebook's fact checkers operate and who they target. It's also worth mentioning the video was hilariously flagged on YouTube for context regarding climate change. Well, those of us who aren't on the right side of history, we have to deal with individuals in YouTube constantly coming after us. So, Fakebook has come under fire over the years for both their mass censorship of things they deem wrong, as well as the part in unknowingly providing, really providing a platform for anything ranging from petty criminals to child traffickers. I argue it's not unknowing. To combat this, they've seemingly rebranded under also bizarre parent company Meta. Yeah, I still Fakebook though. I don't care. You can change your name all you want. You're still Fakebook. You're not going to hide that shit. So all of the above sounds like Fakebook is acting like a publisher, doesn't it? Yeah, too bad Fakebook owns the government, or else, they would be stripped of their Section 230 protections.